Hello and welcome to the solution for OSINT plus cryptography challenge number 4. This is an Eid special challenge, so keep that in mind when you're stuck or looking for clues. Let's begin. Eid Mubarak, which is a hyperlink for some reason. The water body in the picture above is located beside a mosque. Your task is to find out the name of that mosque, the coordinates to this water body. Okay, we have a picture, but we don't have anything cryptographic, just like challenge number 1, if you remember. First, let's reverse search this and see if we get any hits. There is a lot of lake pond pictures, but nothing concrete. Let's also look at find image source and nothing. Great. Very nice. So we have to find the cryptographic bit. This was a hyperlink. Why? When you hover over it, you can see that it says at the bottom left, OSINT underscore crypto. If you remember challenge number 3, OSINT underscore crypto is a repository where I share some scripts or anything which can help you solve this challenge. I have opened it up. Let's go. And it's just a static web page which says Eid Mubarak, and then there's something in Urdu. Figure it out. But there's nothing cryptographic in here. Where is the cryptography part? If you know a little bit about websites and how browsers work, you will know that websites are usually written in HTML, even in the frameworks like React and others. The browser only renders HTML. So if you right click and look at view page source, you can see all the HTML which is used to render this particular page. Let's go over here. And here you can see this doc type HTML. As I said, there is a head which has links and titles, etc. There is style, which is used to specify how a particular page should look. There should be a black background color with yellow font, etc. Beneath the style, we have the body, which has a div class background. Then there's a container. Then we have a heading, which says Eid Mubarak. And then we have a comment. So the HTML comment is not rendered in the browser. The browser ignores the comments. As you can see, this comment is not being rendered. We have Eid Mubarak and the Urdu bit, nothing in between. See, nothing in right here. This is a comment. What does it say? You found the comment. Well done. Here's the encrypted text. Great. We found the cryptography bit. Let's copy this. So this is a very useful find. You should always look at page source before going any further, because the page source can contain some useful information. Did I copy this? I forgot. Let's copy this again and go to our cipher identifier. We're not going to decode right now for no specific reason. Sorry, my internet is slow, very slow. We just have to wait. I will probably edit this out. Okay, wow, that took too long. Anyways, paste it here. Analyze text. Okay, so we get 3 hits, top 3. Monoalphabetic substitution cipher, Visionaire cipher, Beaufort cipher. Let's open all 3, not this. We'll just go to decode again. Decode is really powerful tool, so I don't go anywhere else. Tried anything, you can try other tools, of course. Here we have all three open right here. Let's paste the ciphertext. Decrypt automatically. Doesn't make any sense actually. We have other decryption methods, but I don't think those are relevant right here. This is not a substitution cipher. Let's go back to Visionaire, and if you remember challenge number 1, we need a key for this, and we also need a key for Beaufort. Let's find the key again. So going back here, there's nothing cryptographic, there's no key. However, this is an EID special challenge, so we can try pretty simple, just write EID, and doesn't make sense. Try again. Doesn't make sense. So the EID is definitely not the key. We can go back here, and nothing on the page source too. We just found one comment and that's it. Nothing else. So we found the ciphertext here. We can also find the key here probably. And look at the Urdu text more closely. Eid Mubarak are 2 words, and this does not look like 2 words. Even if you're not familiar with Urdu, this looks different. I might be reaching. This might be true. This might be the same as this might just be saying Eid Mubarak. But well, I know Urdu, and that does not look like Eid Mubarak. You can go to Google Translate. I have caps lock on. Let's copy this, paste it. See? I told you this does not look like Eid Mubarak, and the translation is wrong too. I think this okay, I have not copied all of it. This should not be Al-Fat, whatever that means. Say, this is Zakat al-Fitr. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. I have not pronounced it before. I just read it in my mind. Okay, so if you're a little bit familiar with the Islamic traditions, Zakat is sort of charity you're supposed to give to the poor if you're a Muslim, and it is like mandatory. So Zakat al-Fitr is a special charity you give on Eid. Zakat is like a all year round, but Zakat al-Fitr is different, it's like special. So let's try this as our key now. I don't think the key should be this long. Doesn't make any sense to have space or dash in the middle. Let's delete this and just use Zakat. Okay, doesn't make any sense. Very nice. Let's also use Beaufort. This makes sense. We can read this. This is a plain text. This says splitting of the Moon Mosque, India. If you're familiar with Islamic traditions, splitting of the moon is a miracle attributed to Prophet Muhammad, and it's witnessed by exactly one person in India. You can see right here. See? And we have it. The Chera King Cheraman Perumal. Malayali friends, again, I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, witnessed the splitting of the moon. So the one person who witnessed this miracle in India was the Chera King. And after he witnessed it, he went to Mecca, I think, and met Prophet Muhammad. He's considered to be the first Indian Muslim. Okay, that is very cool. But what about the mosque? The mosque is right here. It's called Cheraman Juma Mosque. You can read about it some more. It is actually the first mosque in India, the first ever mosque in India. It's located in Thrissur, Kerala. Very nice. We got the mosque name, but we got a mosque name, but is this the correct mosque? Is this where the water body is located? Let's find out. Cheraman Juma Mosque. And unfortunately, there is no street view inside the mosque. You can only see the outside. So we have to depend on the photos uploaded by... And I did not even have to complete the sentence. We got right here. This is the same picture. Go back. This is the same picture. It's just cropped a bit. You can keep them side by side. Let's zoom it, and you can keep them side by side and look at it clearly, but this is the same picture. It's cropped because there is Cheraman Masjid right here, so we did not need to go through all this hassle. We got the mosque name and we got the answer for the first question. It's Cheraman Juma Masjid, Cheraman Juma Mosque. Masjid is the Urdu, Hindi name for mosque. Now we need the coordinates for the water body. My internet is slow. I keep saying that. Let's zoom in. This is Cheraman Juma Masjid. Where is the pond? This is the masjid, and this is the Cheraman Masjid tank, I think. No idea. Let's go to satellite. And this definitely looks like the pond we're looking for. So sorry. Should have kept that tab open. Stupid. Turn it up. There is stairs on this side. There are trees on the other side. When you look closely, these are definitely the stairs. There is a tree, some houses in the back, and this part is hidden by the trees, so this part should be right here. We got the water body. This is called Cheraman Masjid tank. And these are the coordinates. We got the answer to the second question. Great. This challenge is solved. I hope this was fun and you got to learn some really cool stuff about India and India's history with Islam. I will see you in the next challenge. Thank you for watching.